Hi, I'm Mark Wilson, the Viking Marketer. Over the last few years, my fellow business partners and I have gone from working in various different work fields and backgrounds where we felt trapped with no way out to finding our mission in life with Digital Freedom Movement. That mission is to make sure we help as many people as possible break free from being weighed down by the financial burdens of endless bills that you simply can't keep up to, jobs they hate, and daily stresses that are crippling, all the while feeling like they never catch a break. Our purpose with DFM is not only to teach you a new way of thinking or give you the skills necessary to unlock a life you only ever thought was possible in your dreams, but to create a community of people that want more for themselves. A community of people that are willing to do what others say is not possible and show up every single day to make it easier for everyone else around them to succeed. For us, it's not enough to get you to the point where you quit that job you love, or where you can take your family on that vacation you always wanted to, or buy that vehicle you thought you'd never be able to, or just simply live life on your own terms, the live free way. This motto of ours, Mentorship First, is how we do it, by showing up every single day for our community. This mentality is why we've been able to help thousands of people make their first online sale, many of which have been able to scale up to 5 figures per month and achieve all the things I was just saying. And honestly, it doesn't matter where you start or your experience level. It's just a matter of getting started. We help people from all walks of life, just like you, advance from a place of daily struggle to one where you can leverage skills and systems to create wealth, instead of slaving away your time and energy to make somebody else rich. You shouldn't have to worry about where your next dollar is coming from. You shouldn't have to wake up to an alarm clock telling you it's time to go to that job you despise. Ultimately, our goal is to get you richer, happier, healthier, and create a life that you're proud of. Thank you for joining us on our journey and investing your precious time and hope into us. I promise you, we will always make sure it is worthy of your time and its value, and that we show up every day ready to make you live free.